It's crazy hot here in Italy. These days we're experiencing a massive heat wave. So I won't keep this intro longer than it needs to be. So buckle up and come with me on the road towards the mountains because we all need some refreshment this summer. Guys, it's so good to back on the road again, start for a new trip. It doesn't have to be, going to NorCap or going to Africa or Asia, although a large trip is way much in my radar for the upcoming future. But this year I want to go on the Dolomites Alps in the Sud-Tyrol, northern Trentino, that's called Upper Veneto area, while last year I went to the French Alps, the border with the Piedmont region. And there are a few mountain tops that I want to see because I went there when I was a little kid, but I don't remember anything about that, so I think it would be nice. I'm entering the motorway right now in the northeastern part of Milan. Got my ticket here, and hopefully this is gonna be the only stretch up to Bergamo that I'm gonna take in this whole endeavor. This is the very area where the Brembo factory is. You can see that from the motorway, where most of the braking system for racing purposes are actually designed and built to this day. As I'm approaching the more mountainous and forested area, the temperature is starting to go down, and now that I even hit the tunnel, we are going to the 32 degrees area, so it's a bit of a refreshing situation for the moment. Isn't there anything more annoying than cars and other vehicles killing your streak while you're on the bends? Very nice forested area here. Into this very nice bendy section. Quite enjoying this. Approaching the mountain top over here. Look at this tiny waterfall. Look at the bends. I'm at the crossroad, and on the right, that's the off-road part of the Crocedomini Pass. And if you go down on the left instead, it goes straight in the pavement, continuing this road. So I stopped for a few minutes, had a little bit of a drink, and I'm ready to go up the Crocedomini Pass. Be a good test for the GoPro clamp holder. Quite a bit of bumps. I mean, it's a bit of a test for anything, to be honest. For the tank bag, for the tail bag, for the panniers again from last year, and most importantly for me. As you can see, by having my GoPro remote at hand, last year I was having that strapped on my right arm. At the moment it's in my tank bag. I can still have my GoPro ready to shoot without needing to stop or anything, and save maybe not so much as battery, but at least storage space, because I'm recording in 4K. Okay, so it's been really nice so far, and the temperature is very accommodating at 27 degrees on the mountain top. But now it's time to get down with this mountain and go look for the camping site for tonight. And I'll be better remove the GoPro from here because the battery is kind of low. I set my destination for finding a camping spot for the night. It's roughly 60 kilometers from here, so it shouldn't be too bad as soon as I get back to the main road, which is like here. Okay, let's go. Bikers and camper van drivers are natural enemies, like bikers and car drivers, like bikers and bicycle riders, like bikers and other bikers, damn bikers. And ruined biking back there, there's like a squadron of quads, ATV, going around the place here. It's 7:20 p.m. and I just want to reach the destination and pitch up my tent because it's getting darker and I don't want to lose daylight. And as you can see, after I pitched my tent, I filled up my camping shower. I hung it up to like the first available tree that I found at the proper height, and I could take a small shower. That's so refreshing. But now, let's get dinner.